Did blacks build the world? What did the Negroes give to the world? What about the melanin theory? Is it a real hypothesis? Or just another Afrocentric lie?
To know the answer to these questions, please stay with me. I'm Nazi Suleiman, an Egyptian archaeologist. I'm going to tell you more about Afrocentric. Please stay with me.
Melanin theory is a set of pseudo-claims made by some proponents of Afrocentrism, which holds that black people have superior mental, physical, and paranormal powers because they have higher levels of melanin, the primary skin pigment in humans. Melanin theory posits that individuals' responses to social stimuli are determined by the prevalence of the skin pigment melanin. Historian Stephen Ferguson describes melanin theory as a component of strong Afrocentrism, which assigns biological causes to social phenomena such as white supremacy. Proponents of melanin theory argue that insecurity among European males leads to efforts to socially dominate and emasculate African males, taking the form of unemployment, incarceration, and political and social marginalization. Some black supremacists argue without evidence that higher levels of melanin give black people inherently superior qualities to white people, including supernatural abilities such as extrasensory perception. According to Bernard Ortiz de Montolino, the alleged properties of melanin, mostly unsupported, irrelevant, or distortions of the scientific literature, are used to justify Afrocentric assertions. One of the most common is that humans evolved as blacks in Africa, and that whites are mutants. Ortiz de Montolino wrote in 1993 that melanin theory as an ideological movement would increase scientific illiteracy and would contribute to widening the gap between the races. Welsing states that Africans possess dominant genes in comparison to the recessive genes of Europeans, which, she posits, leads to a struggle by Europeans to maintain their genetic distinctness. Welsing derived her hypothesis partly through a neo-Freudian analysis of cultural symbols rather than scientific evidence, arguing that the motivation for white supremacy is an unconscious response to white genetic and sexual inferiority. In 2006, the views of melanin theory were dramatized in Cassandra Medley's play Relativity. And in 2020, melanin theory was promoted by Nick Cannon in an interview with Professor Griff on the Cannon's Class podcast, among anti-Semitic ideas. Some Afrocentrist authors lend melanin properties not recognized by science, establishing erroneous links between melanin and cognitive abilities, creativity, psychological balance, motor abilities, even between melanin and supernatural powers. The melanin theory is supported by Leonard Jeffries, a professor at the City College of New York, who, according to Time magazine, believes that melanin, the pigment of dark skin, gives blacks intellectual and physical superiority over whites. This hypothesis has been debunked by the scientific community as mere myths put forward by a group of mentally ill people who may need decent health care. From here, it becomes clear to us the extent of the danger of the Afrocentric movement, and their ideas that have been deposited in their minds since the eras of enslavement in which they lived previously. Indeed, we feel pity for them. In fact, real Africans living in Africa do not believe in Afrocentric ideas, but Africans in America and Europe believe in them and spread them in an attempt to show their favor to humanity. It is a failed attempt in any case, because we continue to expose their lies, and clarify their truth.
Dr. Nazi Suleiman was with you. Thank you for listening. Hoping to meet again in a new video next week. Goodbye.